Hello everybody and welcome to another video. This is Tom from 6 Foot Networks. I'm joined by my son Edward, who's busy with his tablet, and our pup Duchess, who's resting comfortably in the back seat. We are heading down to Burbank, California today to bid farewell to our local Fry's Electronics store. They've announced that they're permanently closing all of their locations nationwide, and I thought we would at least go down and bid farewell to them. Eddie loved that store very much. The one here in Burbank is themed after an alien invasion, kind of a 1950s alien invasion, and he really loved a crashed spaceship through the front of the building and a lot of the aliens and whatnot that are inside the store.
And the army.
And the army, yeah. There's an army presence in that store.
I try and ride the army truck there.
The army truck? Oh, the Jeep that's right inside the door? Yeah, so we're going down to bid farewell to a store that I've spent some money in over the years, and also, we bought things like our washer and dryer, the refrigerator in the kitchen came from Fry's, and a whole lot of other computer parts. And actually, I used to go there regularly when we lived in Burbank to buy expendables, wipes, batteries, stuff like that. It was a great reason to go there. Atmosphere was okay, but you know what? I will tell you that for the last few years, Fry's gave off that general impression that they were going out of business, just because they changed their models around, and things just went downhill from there. Feel free to join us on this little trek down there, and we'll see what comes of it. Hopefully we can get some pictures, and we'll see you there. Hey guys, so here we are. We're in Burbank. We made it. I don't really know what to say. It's kind of a sad sight to see, This is a monstrosity. I think this is, about the size of an average Walmart. And parking lot's empty. Nobody's here. Guy in a red car over there just pulled up wanting to go shopping. I guess he didn't get the message. And there's somebody over there by the door that's kind of letting him know what had happened. But there's a news team, a couple other cars taking pictures and basically saying goodbye to, our generation's electronic superstore. So, farewell, Fry's.